If you just started learning UI UX design, probably you are now reading articles, watching videos, and yes, I did the same. Nothing bad with it. But after 6 months or so, I realized I could have boosted my learning more if I built my strategy. In this video, I will be sharing how you can speed up your learning from your very beginning. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Learn how to do the proper search. The first thing I would have focused on how to do the proper searching. Yes, you heard me right. No matter whether you are going for a bootcamp or self-taught or taking any courses to start, the first most important thing you can do right now is improve your search skill. There are tons of things you can do to get the exact answer you are looking for. I'll give you an example. Let's say you want to search input tag in your favorite site. You can do it by typing the keyword you want to search and followed by a colon, then the site name. Of course, you can go inside the website and search through the internal search box, but sometimes Google search shows a better result. And if you are looking for results that are about one topic or another but nothing else, use the OR modifier to get the more accurate result. As you can see, searching ghost button and outline button showing me different results, but I can also combine search. My point is, the more refined your search method is, the faster and more efficient result you can get. Step 2. Bookmark UX blog website and read the content regularly. The next thing you should do is making a list of websites as your bookmark to study. For example, Nielsen Norman Group, UX Planet, UX Collection, or Usability Geek. While you are having a coffee in the morning, read it regularly. In your regular reading, try to add at least 1 or 2 case studies in a week, because case study will help you to understand how other designers are solving problems and how they came up with the solutions. Remember, there is no shortcut. You can't stop learning and sitting happily with your current skill. The more you read, the more you grow your confidence. Quick tips. If you are lazy like me to visit all those favorite websites, just subscribe to their email list or RSS feed. You can also use apps like Feedly or Flipboard to get all the content into one place. Just read every day. Build this as a habit. Understand there are many things you do not know, but you can learn it, right? The best mentor out there giving you the free resources. You just need to learn it. Take the advantage of it. Step 3. Take notes while you're learning. Whenever you are learning something about UI UX design, you should take notes of it. Write down the summary of your readings. But before you start taking notes, I would highly recommend you to see some videos or read blogs to know about note-taking application that suits your need. There are many note-taking applications to choose from. Even you can choose most of it without spending a single penny. If you're asking me, I would suggest you to take a look to Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian. Alright, check out the Notion and Evernote first. Once you are in good shape with taking notes, then you can take a look to Obsidian. Step 4. Build your knowledge management system. In everyday life, I'm sure you will be learning from many sources. During this time, you are processing a lot of information. Even while scrolling on Facebook and Instagram, you heard something that is important about UI UX. That is also a knowledge. But if you don't organize everything, probably you won't find it when you need it. You would keep thinking about, where did I read it? So, to reduce this stress, build your knowledge management system. I built my own, what we call it, second brain, and it cost me $0. Here is my one. These are the sources where I get the contents. Then I save it to the temporary storage, and once I get time, I move it to the permanent storage where I can search usually when I need to recall it. Step 5. Be focused and consistent. Most of us struggle with being more consistent and keep the focus on learning design. Some of us start learning UI design and after practicing some website design, assume we are ready as a designer, but we keep getting rejection. We get frustrated and stop learning. Honestly, I also stopped. But the fact is, if you focus more and try to find a room of improvement, you can win. On the other hand, if you are being consistent, reward will be huge. You're gonna be surprised to see how you are improving your thought process and producing more qualityful design. Also, stop focusing on long-term goal like I want to be a UI UX designer. Instead, chop into small goals and focus on them, like I want to learn color theory in next 1 week, or I want to learn about customer journey map next week. Do you know what would be the difference? The more you achieve small goals, you get motivated to chase the next one. This is how you will be consistent. Step 6. Stop waiting for the right time to apply. This is probably the biggest mistake I did in my life. At the beginning of my learning time, I always had the tendency to just learn more and brush up more of my design skill, then I will start applying for the job. But the reality is, you will never be ready. Keep learning and start applying in your first job, because there is never the right time until you start. Keep in mind, no company is looking for a perfect designer, because they don't exist. Companies are looking for a good team player who can propose a decent solution that is useful for the user and achieve business goal. That's it. Well, congratulations. By this point, you are saving your 6 months that I lose for not applying these steps. One last tip before I finish this video. Be professional designer, not the passionate one. Why did I say that? Check out the first comment and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.